Yo, listen, I cannot believe I've been recording with this camera for maybe like 2-3 days. I'm not gonna tell y'all that I had the mic hooked up the wrong way. So I've been recording content with the mic connected to the headphone jack on accident. It wasn't in the right. It don't even matter. It's currently 11:06 and I am getting ready to run the Cooper River Bridge. I'm training for my 10K that I have on the Cooper River Bridge on March 28th. I'm not gonna lie, I waited too long to run. It's hot. Let me see, it's 74 degrees. It's a little cloudy because it's supposed to rain. It's a lot of people out here. I'm gonna try to do at least maybe like 4 or 5 miles, hopefully. We're gonna see. I'll let y'all know about that. But yeah, man, let's get it in. You gotta hurry up and get in and get out. Whoa. This is by far the worst part. But you gotta get it in. It's easy. Stretch after you run. I think my average pace was like 9:55 or something like that. What I will say is, I think I reached my goal, trying to not run up the bridge so hard and lose all my stamina by the time I get up there. I always forget this part, bro. It's a beautiful day out here. Come back and explore this. Very nice. They got like some stuff you can work out on your own. Trail over there. They got a basketball court. Might be a tennis court over here too. All right, y'all. I'm back. It is 1:11. I am beat. It's hot, humid, all of the above. I'm not gonna lie. I can't do this. All in all, it was a good run. Even though it's hot, it feels good outside to run in, honestly, versus that, really cold weather. I believe I'm about to go and get some food, see my family before I head back to Savannah, which is where I live. See y'all later. Listen, your boy is stressed out, man. I gotta get my life back in order or something, man. Just got too much going on, man. Trying to balance life, content, mixed with like editing. I really don't know how people do it who edit on their own. I have no clue how they do it. Some type of like social life, build better habits. I was really good with this stuff too, man. I need to fix that though. I'm on the way to the gym right now. I am tired, I'm exhausted, but I know I need to go. Haven't been really hitting my runs like I need to. It's just a lot going on, man. I don't know how people balance it all sometimes. Because truthfully, I don't have that much going on, but it just feels like a lot when you're trying to almost like do too many things at one time. Hopefully today I can kind of maybe map out what I need to do. That involves making a list, making a schedule of what I need to do, when I need to do it. I used to be very, very like motivated and determined with stuff like that, and I have not been as of lately. I don't know, it's showing in all areas of like just my daily routine. It's been kind of messed up for maybe like the last like 2 or 3 months, maybe even longer. I don't know, so we'll see. On the way to the gym right now, got my Celsius. Cheers. That workout sucked, but I'm glad I went. I don't even know. I'm just out of whack right now. So hopefully today can be the day that I kind of get my life back in order, kind of. More so with just daily habits. So now I'm about to go to Whole Foods. If y'all haven't tapped into my reels and shorts and everything, Whole Foods has this $35 meal plan. And I'm not lying, it's one of the best things I've came across like in the last like month or so. So I'm gonna go inside of Whole Foods, get my meal prep for the week, and then we'll go back home, shower, and kind of organize my life, my daily habits. But first, I'm gonna take y'all to Whole Foods with me so y'all can see one of the best meal prep hacks I've came across recently. They got a lot of these electrolyte packets in here. Pink lemonade, raspberry.
A lot of these peptides we've been talking about lately. Got some electrolyte powder, different kinds of collagen. I saw a guy on Instagram put a lot of this in his water, so I'm gonna do the same. See how it works out. Now for the main attraction. Oh, this is what I've been waiting on. What they got over here for me? This family meal plan. Let's see. Yes. Can I do the family meal plan? I can do the mashed potatoes and the Greek tortellini salad. Oh man, that's what I actually came in here for.
We got hit really hard yesterday.
Yeah,
You know,
I should have came yesterday. I could have.
really, you should come on like Tuesday.
Tuesday and Wednesday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get orders. And Monday, Sundays are so crazy. On Monday, we don't have.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'll start coming on Tuesdays then, yeah. Okay. I'll just do the chicken breast then. That's fine, yeah. That sucks. Chicken breast is good though. Options are very limited today. So Tuesdays, Wednesdays, you gotta come in here. They don't have anything available. Best time to come. That sucks though. I really wanted that salmon. That salmon is probably the best thing on their menu. Not gonna lie.
Careful with these lids because they just pop right off.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thank you so much. All right, we're out of here. All right, y'all, bag secured. I was kind of disappointed because I was hoping they would have the salmon, but I had to settle with the chicken breast, mashed potatoes, and some type of like Greek salad. I don't know. I'm about to go home, prep this for the week, quote unquote, and then kind of get my life situated and habits in order. So I'll kind of show y'all what that's about when I get there. All right, we're finally back from the gym, Whole Foods. I ran by Publix. I didn't take y'all with me, but I ran by Publix really quick to get some fruit. So now I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Whole Foods. So as y'all saw, they didn't have any more salmon. So I went with they put tape over it because these boxes are not the normal boxes. I don't even know. I went with the chicken breast, got 4 of those. And then I also went with this it looks like a pasta salad, but I don't know what it was called. I forgot what it was called. It looks like a pasta salad. Haven't had this before, so I'm gonna try that. And then I also got a bunch of mashed potatoes. I wanted the salmon, but as y'all know, she said that they ran out because they got hit hard on Sunday. From now on, I will be going to Whole Foods on Tuesdays and Wednesdays because that seems to be the best time. I also got a bunch of these hydration packs, collagen peptide pack, 2 of these superfood like digestive thing. Also got a multi-collagen protein pack. And then I got a bunch of essential electrolyte packets that I haven't had before, but I've been needing electrolytes, so I'm gonna use these a lot. So I'm gonna put this stuff up and then I'm gonna go on to work on my habits and changing my routine because your boy's gotta do better. All right, we'll see you. So I got some new pickups I've been meaning to show y'all. I actually forgot to put it on my Instagram, so I'm gonna put it here first and then I'll probably make another video. I'm not gonna try all the stuff on, but I'm gonna show you what I got. So first I got like a knitted polo. I forgot where it came from, but my mom was generous enough to get it for me for my birthday. I believe it might have came from maybe Old Navy. Oh, actually no, it came from Walmart. And this quality is really nice. It's perfect for the summer right now. Now, speaking of Old Navy, I did go to Old Navy to get me a pair of penny loafers that was on sale. I don't know if y'all shop at Old Navy, but they have some good stuff, especially cheap. So I got some nice penny loafers. Like, I like that material. They're like brownish. They're nice though, I'm not gonna lie. I haven't tried them on yet. Like I said, I'll make a video of me trying all my stuff on, but it'll probably go on my Instagram or on TikTok. Then of course I had to mess with my boy. Timeless, I actually got it on now. The hoodie, the sweats. I swear this packaging is always one of the best things, man. It's the little things. It's the small details for me. But I got some sweats from here. And these are nice, man. The quality, again, is very nice. Has the, like, swivel on the side. That's nice, man. And I can just tell that they feel really comfortable already. So I know when I put these on, I know these are going to be my go-to rotation for the summer because they seem lightweight. Yeah, they'll be really good for the summer. Okay, now these are two things that I actually already had. I have not put them together yet. It's going on like a month, but I've decided to show y'all. So I got this Spider-Man or Iron Spider Lego set. I'm trying to get into Legos, honestly, again. And then I got this Game Boy set that I need to put together. I went with my cousin on his birthday. Actually, I lied. Dang, it's been almost like 2 months. All right, but anyway, I went with my cousin to the Lego store in Jacksonville, and I think he already put both of his Lego sets together already. So that just means I need to get on my stuff. But I might do a video recording myself making them, or might just show you how it looks afterwards. I don't know. And then last but not least, I'll drop a video or a short little picture probably right here, and it'll just show you that I got a new camera that I'm actually shooting on right now. I got the Sony ZV-E10, the second version. I think that's the name of it. I don't even know. It's a lot, but I got that camera for my birthday. It was actually my last birthday present. So I am going to be shooting on that from now on, and hopefully if everything goes well, it'll be a YouTube video, or actually this video will be out maybe in the next like couple of days. One more thing though, I have one more thing. It's crazy because I'm not even supposed to be showing this yet, but I got some merch from Fabletics. And this is actually promo, so that's all I can show right now before I actually post the video about it. By the time this comes out, hopefully this will already be posted. I'm finally sitting down, kind of getting some stuff done. I pretty much already like mapped out the rest of the week and what I need to do in order to get back into a good habit. I made a to-do list for tomorrow and for the rest of the week. I'm gonna make sure I go to bed on time. That's really been my biggest issue, going to sleep on time. And when I say on time, I need to be in the bed like 9:30, 10 o'clock, sleep by no later than like 10:30, because I'm getting up to go to the gym at like 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. But if I don't go to bed on time, that kind of like throws my entire day off. And then I just need to be consistent with my runs. That's really been it. I was a little dramatic earlier, but I do need to stay on top of all of those things so I can kind of get myself back into the groove of what I needed to do as far as just developing and maintaining good habits. I'm still in the process of learning Notion, but that's been like my biggest or my most used app here recently. Just trying to like use something new to help myself get and stay on track. I'll make another video about Notion once I fully figure out the ins and outs of it, because it's a really good app, but it is kind of intimidating and complicated. I know it's been a while since I've made a YouTube video, and I feel like the last time I talked to y'all, I was on the verge of getting my last degree, which by now I've already gotten it. I was able to obtain a PhD in philosophy. I'm still working on a few things, so once those things are established, I'll, give you more insight on all of that stuff. Your boy is about to spend the rest of the evening doing some editing, trying to schedule content and stuff of that nature. So in order to do that, I gotta get out of here. I love y'all. Be safe.